Hello everyone. We're going to be drawing some flowers today because we are going to be making a still life. Last week when you came to art, we painted a paper and I've saved that, I've set it aside, but today we have to work on the flowers that are going to go into our vase of flowers. So right up at the top of the paper, you're going to be making flowers. Now I will have already drawn a line on your paper and it's very light. You can't hardly see it in the camera. But I'm going to draw a line and that you can't put any flowers below it. So we're going to have all our flowers right up on top. I'll show you one that I've started already so you can get an idea. So this is one I have started. I've already started to paint too. So let me set this aside and show you how I get there. So you are going to be using crayons and I am going to start with a flower. And I'm going to make, and it doesn't matter how you start your flower, what type of flower you make. I like to start with a circle and then I make petals. And I use a bumping line that goes all the way around. So this is my first flower. I'm thinking about flowers because we are in the month of March and spring is right around the corner. So after this flower, I'm going to switch colors and I'm going to do, I'll do something like this. I'm going to make, it looks like a circle. Remember when we painted spirals? It kind of looks, oops, I just broke my crayon. Kind of looks like a spiral. Well, it is a spiral. But maybe it could be kind of like a rose. Maybe I'll do another one of those. I kind of like those. So it starts out as a circle, but then it goes in and around, like that. All right, I think I better put some leaves in here right now. So I'm going to put a leaf shape here, and then I put a line down the middle like that. And maybe I'll put a leaf shape up here. Okay. And I'm going to go on. Let's see. Oh, I can do a flower like it's going to go bump, 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 kind of like a big cloud. But then I repeat it on the inside. Okay, I kind of like those too. Maybe I'll do one over here. And I'm just going to fill all up top of that line with flowers. And I'm just drawing the flowers. I haven't colored anything in. I'm going to do one more. Let's see. I don't know where all my crayons have gone to. Maybe I'll use this one. And I'm just going to make 4 bumps. Like that. And maybe over here. You're also going to notice, you're probably wondering, where are those stems? Don't worry about the stems right now. We'll talk about those later. I better add a few more leaves. Okay, so you can see that I've really filled up the top of my paper. See, there's the line, and all up above are all my flowers. I'm going to go to the one that I've already started painting. So here's this one. Then you're going to get some watercolor paints and a tub of water, and we're just going to paint those in. So I take the water and I put it on the color I want to use. This is activating the colors. So I'm going to take this and I might paint in here. Okay? And I'm going to fill in this flower with some red. I'm going to do my best to stay in the lines. And you're probably wondering, hey, you covered that up. I can't see that line. Don't worry. When this all is dry, we can go back and darken up those lines so they show up. Okay? Or I can take some orange, oops, and I can finish the one here. And I'm just going to continue going around painting my flowers the colors that I see flowers to be. I've seen orange flowers before. Then, now this yellow has a little bit of green to it, so I'm going to try to only use the yellow for the center of my flower, and then I'm going to add some water to the green and paint my leaves. So you get the idea, right? We're going all the way around painting in our leaves and our flowers. So I have a lot of work to do myself. I'm going to finish up mine So when you come to class, I'll have a finished one to show you. But this is what we're working on today.